There seems to be an update going on regarding street construction on Victoria Street South between Ridout Street, which is right here. So right here is Ridout Street, and right here. So this is Toronto Road, and this is Victoria Street North, like right there. And this is Victoria Street South, but they have closed it off to the construction as of today, and to November the 30th. So the only people who can only go through is if you live in this these houses on the block, but you have to kind of do like a detour because they're going to do construction, and they're also cutting down trees, so also do pay attention for that. So there was just a vehicle that went from through here and went through this dead-end parking lot. So yeah, you would have to go from there and through there. And if you only lived in like these houses, so whether you would be just having a stroll or coming back from school or walking your dog, this is technically what's going to happen. So do be aware of, like especially over in Kings Park, like right over there, where they got like the ready to chop down these trees. Trees have been cut at also at other parks in Port Hope, so do be aware of any changes. So even though it does go through, they have to go through like a different way. And see that neighborhood like right over there? They have to go around to like a different way, because this road is also blocked. So Sullivan Street. So why don't we read this sign over here? So $28 billion dollars are going to be used to fix roads and highways, which refreshing them, and also highways making extra lanes, and also these other changes. So do expect quite a lot. This is going to be a big inconvenience